Usually employees in an organization don't really understand the business model of the organization, and that in itself is an eye-opener. What are the key resources of the organization, or what are the channels? What is, even more importantly, the value proposition? So they don't see how these elements fit together, and then how do they fit within that enterprise in contributing value. It produces a lot of insight that otherwise we wouldn't have even given thought to as employees. It makes everyone go towards a common goal. What really stood out in the workshop for me was actually drawing the business models and iterating quite frequently. So we not only drew one canvas, but we drew multiple canvases, and the learning that goes along with that frequent iteration is brilliant.
Well, a great exercise for me was when one of my colleagues actually redesigned my business model. That was just fantastic. She really gave me goosebumps.
I felt awesome. I have to say, Jan is very generous and very complimentary. It was really good. I'm glad I signed up for the masterclass because it built on the first day of the workshop. And even prior to the workshop, I'd read the book, I'd done the online course. So all of it was a gradual build-up. What I loved about the workshop was the participatory methodology. It was all built around collective learning, and Tim is more of a guide on the side rather than a sage on the stage. It felt good to have an understanding that's developed within 2 days, and to see that after 2 days you can look at a value proposition or a business and you can actually come up with some fair assumptions around what that business model would look like, and it just makes you feel so darn clever.